Hello everybody. I'm trying to help out anybody who might have a 7th gen Celica like this, who has a check engine light come on and a P0442 small evap leak code come up. So it's taken me a while, but I finally decided to build a smoke machine. That information's out there on how to do that. And I built the smoke machine, hooked it up. I'll show you where I hooked it up. It's this purge valve right here, which sometimes can go bad, just to let you know. But anyway, if you put smoke through your machine through this hose here, which runs to the back into the charcoal canister, gas tank, fills all that area with smoke. Before you do that though, of course, you'll have to access a few things, such as the top of the gas tank. So there's already videos on how to remove the rear seats so you can get access to that port right there, which then reveals the top of the fuel pump and the connections for that. So you'll have to get that available, and then also you'll have to remove the rear of your exhaust and also this heat shield that sits on top of the exhaust. So the charcoal canister, in case you haven't seen, sits behind that heat shield right there. And so I've replaced that one once already. A couple of years ago, I thought maybe that was a problem. It was not. I should have done the smoke machine first, just to let you know. Unless you want to remove the whole exhaust system, you can remove it from right here, and you can pull down to a point and get the gas tank out. You want to have the gas tank as empty as possible because it's kind of a bugger to move around with that in the way if it's has more than just a few gallons in it. So once you've removed the gas tank, which isn't that hard, there's some videos on that too. There's just 4 straps, such as this one here that doesn't come off. So you remove those 4 hoses or the cables for the e-brake that kind of wrap around the gas tank. Get all that out of the way before you drop it. So as it turned out, smoke was coming out from this guy right here. And obviously I have this loose and removed at this point. Smoke, after I dropped the gas tank, would come out of this area. I hooked up my smoke machine to this port or this hose right here. Smoke would come out of here when I removed this, lifted this clip up, turned this about a quarter turn. This cap just comes off, which reveals this mechanism here. And I'll remove these hoses. So this guy sits inside the gas tank, and there is this gasket here, which it looked good on the bottom half, was actually fairly cracked on the sides. But that wasn't actually the source of the leak. So this grommet sits inside here. And this is the fuel tank overfill valve. So this guy sits here like so, with these obviously connected. Turns out after I removed this, I blew air through this small port here, and I had air leaks coming out of just like hairline fractures that go right along that seam. The parts for these, it's about $53, $55 for the, they call it the valve assembly fuel. These are the original Toyota parts. And then the gasket. There's the part number for that. I ended up getting a new one because I had enough cracks in mine I couldn't reuse it. Price wasn't too bad. Got those on eBay. So basically simple. You just put the new gasket in there. You put the new overflow check valve assembly in there, and putting everything back together. And I do a leak test, make sure that it's not smoking out anywhere else, and then it should be good to go. If not, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.